We grew this hibiscus plant from cutting, and if you have not seen that video, I have put the link in the description and you can check it out. In this video, I'll show you how this plant grew over time. One more month has passed and our plant has been growing very nicely. You can see how healthy it is, and more leaves are coming, and there is still summer. There is still 2 months left, so I'm hoping that we'll get some blooms this year itself. We planted this in February, the cuttings, and then we transplanted it in July, and right now it is August, and I'm hoping by the end of September we'll have some flowers. We'll see. And this planter gets 3-4 hours of direct sunlight. So our hibiscus plant has been growing well. It's about 2 feet tall, and all these branches, they're really healthy. It is in partial sun, and now I noticed a flower bud appearing. So I'm really happy that we planted this cutting probably 6 months ago, and then we transplanted the cutting in this planter, and it has been growing so well. So this plant has two main stems. So this one, and you can see so many flower buds appearing here, and this is another one, and even here you can see so many flower buds appearing. So I planted this plant in almost fully compost, but you should fertilize it with a general purpose fertilizer in the growth season so that you get good blooms. And also it needs a lot of water. And if the sun is really harsh, then you should give it some shade. So if you look at our hibiscus plant now, it has started growing flowers and they look so pretty. So in about 8 months, this plant grew from cutting to this level that it has started producing flowers. Pretty amazing. And if you have not seen that video where I showed you how to propagate hibiscus from cuttings, I have put the link in the description and you can check it out. Look at this beautiful flower. And then there are so many birds on the top. And even here you can see more buds appearing, and the plant looks so happy and so healthy, and it is in full sun, meaning it gets about 4-5 hours of direct sun. So basically we took some cuttings um, in the spring and planted them, and this cutting came from water. We had put the cuttings in water, and when they grew roots, we planted it in this container, and it has been growing in there very happily. I had thought that we'll get flowers next year, but it started producing flowers this year itself, so it is just amazing. I'm really happy. So I hope this video was informational to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.